Today we do a video of RoboShark Robot Ornament Desk Lamp, Unpacking and Installation Method. After unpacking, remove the robot body, head and battery compartment respectively. First, adjust the leg movements of the main body of the robot. Make it stand smoothly on the table. Take out the robot head, tighten clockwise onto the body. After screwing out the battery compartment, fixing nut. Thread the battery compartment screw into the middle hole of the main backpack rack. Finally, tighten it with the battery compartment, fixing nut. Installation of springs on both sides. First unscrew the nuts on both sides of the battery compartment. Then pass the spring tail rings through the screws on both sides of the battery compartment. Finally, screw the nut on and tighten it. Plug the battery compartment through the middle position between the main body and the battery compartment. The battery compartment plug is inserted into the head. Turn the battery compartment knob to control the switch and dimming. Man on porches. Steering through time.